So right now we are in Phoenix, Arizona. We're on a mountain. It's called Papago Mountain. I currently am watching the sunset. As you can kind of see, the sunset is starting to come down over here. This area is very beautiful. It's kind of centralized in the middle of Phoenix. Over there you have basically just Scottsdale, Mesa, and as you go around you can kind of see the entire city. Just like 5 feet over here you can see the other side of the city over there. I'm loving Phoenix, Arizona. I've only been here for a few days, but it's amazing. I came from Turkey, and Turkey right now is in the middle of winter, so that's amazing. And same goes for America. Everyone else is in the winter mode, while Arizona here is kind of in the summer vibes. It's quite amazing. I do want to kind of show you the sunset because that's happening right now, so I'll kind of let you see that. There's like a cityscape in the background. I hope you can kind of see some detail over there. I'll try to zoom in for you, but I unfortunately only had brought my smaller lens today, so I won't be able to get all of that detail for you. I'll be able to take some pictures, and I'll include that right after this clip here. Just you'll kind of see the vibes that are happening right now. The sun has just a little bit more to go down. It's a very beautiful area. You guys will see in this video that I had also climbed a mountain over there. It's called Hole in the Rock. Basically it's this gigantic hole. You can climb the mountain, kind of sit there, and the mountain is kind of over there like I stated, but the hole faces this way, so you can kind of see the sunset. So that's usually a very popular location. This one is quite a way off the ground, so you actually have to hike, but I had nothing else to do, you know, get out and enjoy Arizona, you know. So yeah. I'm going to kind of sit here and enjoy the rest of the sunset. I'm going to take a few clips for you, but yeah, I'll basically tune you in once we get somewhere else.